Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years. And if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com. And I hope you enjoy the morning brief. Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is January 25th, Wednesday, and you can see from the news here, most of the red stuff is all Canadian news. We got Canadian Bank of Canada monetary policy report, Bank of Canada rate statement. They're expected to raise rates, and overnight rate. Now at 10:30, we do have crude oil inventories, so that is a big deal if you are a crude oil trader. And then more Canadian news, Bank of Canada press conference at 11 o'clock. Otherwise, no U.S. news. It's a very light day for U.S. news. All right, taking a look at the daily chart. Pull this over here. Maybe. There we go. Daily chart's looking ugly. I mean, we got a big gap down happening right as we speak, almost taking out or close to the lows of Monday. This is kind of an ugly looking bar. More sideways action, more extension of this little consolidation band of this bull flag. Of course, we can break down. Where could it go? I mean, this could easily be an expansion, a bar expansion day. I can see it coming down, maybe into this low volume node at 39.44. It could reverse and go up, in which case the high from Monday would be in play, 40.55. Those are kind of the outside edge numbers. Taking a look at the inventory, which of course we're using for a measurement of momentum. Inventory yesterday, the market was down very, very slightly, and we were positive. So we did have a little bit of a disconnect, just a little bit of a disconnect on the inventory. Inventory is positive by almost 4,000 contracts, and we were definitely closed there at negative, slightly, not a lot, but negative on the day. Today we're down and inventory is down, so these are correlated. So this is not correlated. There were buyers coming in here, bargain hunting is what I would say. That being said, we got, again, anytime you have divergence where one thing doesn't match, you got to go, what is it telling me? How is it signaling what's going on? And even though this is hard to interpret since we had positive inventory and a negative day, especially in light of the fact we're down today, it's still, sometimes you don't necessarily need to know why or how. It's just that there's a divergence. There's, it's not correlated, and therefore something's up. And that's what we need to watch for anytime we have not convergence, not correlation. That is bad. It means the market's going to do something you don't really expect. That being said, we'll have to see how today pans out. Taking a look at the intraday. Intraday on the 7-minute here. It's very bearish looking. I think we'll have a bounce here off of the open as they try make an attempt at the gap. But very negative overnight action. If we scrunch this up a little bit more, it's pretty much been negative since the close, which was right here, all the next. And those are earnings related. Microsoft earnings definitely impacted that. Where we have confluence, there's definitely some confluence right here at the overnight high. I guess it's not the overnight high, but right in this 40.22 area. And looks like my chart is fried up. There, I got the screen to work, to become unglued. You've got some confluence up here at 4,038.50, a little bit of resistance. More above that at 40.47. more above that at 40.50 for half. Downside, we've got some confluence at 39.72, 39.51, 39.20 area. Those are the intraday levels I'm going to be looking at for today. The Stock Traders Almanac for today is 61.9. So 61.9. So that means we have a pretty decent statistical advantage for today on the bull side. 61.9. So that's a 11.9% bias to the upside. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.